Vitiligo or leukoderma. Vitiligo is a white patch that happens on the body. It can happen anywhere. All of us would have seen people with vitiligo. They're all around us. It's another matter that they'll be hiding themselves. But there are millions of people suffering with vitiligo all over the world. It's a white patch that can happen anywhere on the body. It can happen in children, it can happen in adults, it can happen in ladies, gents. There's no discrimination. It can happen to anybody. Once it comes, it keeps spreading for some time. There's some people it gets limited to a particular part of the body, some people it spreads from the entire body. You find millions around you. The reason you find millions around you is because there is no treatment. If there was treatment, you wouldn't find people around you with vitiligo, won't you? Why does it come? To me, the only reason is hereditary. It's in the genes. Most of the people invariably have it in the family. Now, it doesn't have to be the immediate family. It can be the parents, grandparents, uncles, aunties, great-grandparents. It could be anything. But if there is a family history, there is a chance that you might get it. For a lot of people, it remains dormant in the body. It doesn't come out. It is known to come out when you go through anxiety, when you go through stress, emotional disturbances. In fact, most diseases which are hereditary, they tend to come out when you go through anxiety or an emotional disturbances. Now, if you've been affected with vitiligo and if the patches are limited, there is every chance that the patches can keep spreading if you're going through an emotional trauma. Now, what is the treatment in allopathy? Number one, the moment they are diagnosed, they put you on steroid creams, then they give you steroid injection, then they give you ultraviolet rays, then they also talk about skin grafting. But none of these are successful. They do have their amount of success, but very few percentage of success. Not really successful. What can homeopathy do? The first thing I ask people who come to me with vitiligo is, how is it bothering you? They look at me. What do you mean, how is it bothering me? Can't you see that it's there? I said, yeah, I can see it. But how is it bothering you? Well, I've got a patch. It bothers me. Is it paining? No. Itching? No. If you leave it alone, does it cause any harm to you? Any organs will get affected? Not that I know of. So how is it bothering you? Now, this is a fact. Vitiligo is one disease which will not bother you. Unlike other diseases, suppose you have psoriasis, you can have psoriatic arthritis, your nails can get affected, a lot of things can happen. But in vitiligo, if left alone, it cannot do anything to you. It will not do anything to you. The only thing vitiligo does is hypopigmentation of the skin. That means there is a white patch which is visible. The only issue with it is the social stigma that the disease carries. It is the people who make you feel terrible. I must tell you about a case of vitiligo. There was one young girl, about 20 years old. She had one small patch here on the lip. She was so conscious. She says, everybody who talks to me, they don't look at me, they look at my patch. She was so conscious that she started to cover. She always used to talk like this so that nobody sees it. And 2 years down the line, her face has become like that. She talks like this. That's the amount of consciousness we have about people. That's the amount we are bothered about what people think about us. It's very unfortunate, but that's how we human beings are. That's human tendency. So what I'm trying to tell you is vitiligo does not cause any problem except the social stigma that is attached to it. We get a lot of young children coming to us, young kids coming to us. Most of them, they come with a patch on the eyelids. They are the ones who respond most beautifully. If they are got to us in the initial stage, they respond most beautifully. They respond very, very fast. We get children coming to us in the initial stages. They come to us after trying steroids. They come to us after trying ultraviolet. We get adults who are coming to us. But the most successful cases that we are able to treat is if they come in the first 5 years of the disease. Now, the people who come to us in the initial stage, we need to realize that when they come to us is somewhere, suppose they have started having the problem. The disease is a process which is happening from inside. It is not an external problem. It is an inside problem. So there is a disease process that will go on for about 6 months, 8 months, 1 year. That means our primary aim is to stop the spread of the disease, to stop the activity that is happening inside the body. So if you come to us expecting something to happen in the first 2-3 months of time, very rarely it happens. There are people who respond right in the beginning also. But to be on the safe side, I would say first 3 to 6 months is aimed at stopping the activity in the body. That means you should not be getting new patches, or the existing patch should not be spreading. A little bit will happen, but at the end of 6 months, most people, the activity stops. Once the activity stops, then the receding happens. That means it starts to get better. We've been able to help a lot of people with vitiligo. Diet restrictions, people say you're not supposed to eat yogurt and fish together. I don't know the logic behind it. But as far as I'm concerned, I don't give any diet restrictions. It doesn't matter. Life is there to enjoy. Have a good time, enjoy yourself. But what is the most important thing for me is not to be conscious about yourself, not to be conscious that you have a vitiligo. Having a white patch on your body does not stop you from what you are. It does not take away the goodness that you have, the brains that you have, the excellence that you have. It does not make you less competent. It's a choice that you are doing. I have a white patch. I am conscious. I cannot talk to people. I am not good. I cannot face people. Everybody is looking at me. That's not true. Nobody cares about you. Nobody has the time to look at your patch. Nobody thinks about you. It's your own making. It's your own mind that is making you think like that. Get out of that. If you remain confident and if you don't let the vitiligo affect you, it will go very, very fast. But if you give it a lot of importance, if you think that is everything in your life, it will take its own sweet time to go. Forget about the problem. To hell with the world. You take care of yourself. Be happy. Take homeopathic medicines. And the vitiligo can be taken care of very, very effectively. Take care.